straining in the eyes at the minute. Sun's setting behind the south ridge. Snowdon summit. And just below the summit, around about here, is where I'm going to pitch my tent for the night. So, I better crack on. Getting closer to camp. Still a fair bit of climbing to do. Time to head up here now before heading back down. It's an old disused mine and then back to
all you know is all a lie, all caught up in paradise, running away from everything real, everything that hurts to feel. All you know is all that you put up to keep you from the truth, a wall to keep out all the hurt, only to keep out all that's worth. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old. All you do is all routine, careful schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is bury your head, you know you might as well be dead. But once you find the good, you'll learn to take the bad when it's your turn. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew.
my camp was, right down there. A long way down. Off the beaten track now, heading down to that old mine site. Ooh, slipping grass. Just fell over. somewhere. And there's another hole there. That's that. Probably going under my feet right now. Obviously that's where they've mined the vein. Copper ore or something. Get in there. In there. Mined out. To the men who worked this out. Slide. All mining equipment scattered all over the hillside.
It's getting old.
Coming to the end of another Stoneleigh adventure.